Hello, everyone. I'm Andy from ThinkMo. I am currently teaching CCIE courses. From today on, I'll share some with you. CCNA, CCNP, CCIE related technologies. Today we're going to continue with DHCP. In the last video, we gave a brief introduction to DHCP. Today we'll talk about DHCP roles and messages. In the next installment, we'll explain how DHCP works. First of all, what are the roles of DHCP? The first is the server. In short, it is the terminal device. A device that provides an IP address. What is a terminal? The terminal is the end. Like a PC or printer, a server. Including cell phones and laptops, these are terminals. That's for the server. Give it an IP address. So where did the IP address come from? It's the idea of having an address pool on the server. It's like a pool. You need to supply water to other people. Or anywhere else. It has some addresses of its own. For the server. In addition to providing IP addresses, it can also provide gateway addresses. DNS address, mask, and lease term. It's like renting a house. It's like signing a lease. It doesn't work when it's time. You have to reapply if you want to use it. Next comes the client. That's the terminal device I just mentioned. The device is used to automatically obtain an IP address. If you need an IP address, it needs to go to the server. Request the address to use. This means that the client wants to get the address. The corresponding packet must be sent to the server. And then there's the relay. It can obtain IP addresses across network segments. That's what the relay is for. So why get IP addresses across network segments? Because of the DHCP packet. Most of them are broadcast. There is no way to broadcast across network segments. A relay is required to convert the broadcast to unicast. Obtain IP addresses across network segments. Later we will talk about operation process of relay in detail. Then it comes to DHCP messages. Normally, 4 types of packets are used. DHCP discover message indicates a discover message. What is discovery message? I didn't know it was in the network at first. Where is the DHCP server? Because it doesn't have an address. I need to find this DHCP server. When it finds it, let it assign the address. This is a discovery message. Packets are first sent to network in broadcast mode. If the DHCP server receives it later, it gives me a response. And we'll talk about how that works in the next video. The DHCP offer message is sent by the server. Discovery packets are usually sent by the client. I'll send it to as long as it's a DHCP server. Give me a response. And the offer message contains the address information provided to the client. DHCP requests are called request messages. After the client receives the offer, you're going to ask to use the address. Then there are DHCP ACK messages. DHCP acknowledgement message. You request to use. The server confirmed the address and gave it to you. That's it for today. If there are any other skills you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a message or send me a private message. If you're interested in what I'm talking about, hope to like and subscribe more. Thank you. See you next time.